some library before to make my membership card. I needed to make my ID and password. You can click this crown shape and then click here, and then you can get a click. Just agree this comments. So there are different functions to approve your identity. Because I do like to use cell confirmation, so you can. I'm using KT company, that's why I can use this. So here, write down my name and my cell phone number, and then I can copy this letter. Say confirmation is a 확인. I can get some kind of message like this. So can just press secret digit 6, and then I can try. Yes, I match my cell phone number and and then I can write down. First one is ID. I can make my own ID. Just so you can check your ID, double check. Use this ID. So there is a secret number. At that time you should write English capital letter or small letter and number and just special mark. You can write your secret number one more time, double check, and then you should save your library card secret number 4. Okay, and then save, and then you can write your email. If you want to get an email from this library, you can click here. If you don't want, you don't need it to. This one is 도로명, road name, 원당대로. 버튼 적용. Information one more time, and then your card, secret number 4, and then your name, birthday, and your year, when you were born, and your right bottom, yeah, that's right. Type registration. Okay, good. And then you can, after register this this website, and then you can bring your ARC card or identity card, and then you can go to the desk information.